Hey YouTube, we're back with Magic, and now we're gonna be rating of Magic again today. I keep lagging of me recording and playing the hood at the same time. Okay, Magic. Okay, Magic. So Magic is learning how to be skinny in the hood today, and let's see if we can find Magic. Hey, Magic, where you at? Let's see if we can find Magic. Can we find Magic? Is Magic inside Hood Fitness? Is she inside houses or is she uphill? She's inside Hood Fitness. Let's kill that bitch. Okay, just eat. Just eat the lettuce. Eat the lettuce. I'm more skinny than you. Eat the lettuce. Keep eating. Eating. Keep eating. Keep eating. Reset. Keep eating. Keep eating. Quick, quick. I can't. Okay. Okay, Magic's uphill. Let's go get Magic. I see a bitch Barbie with her bitchy macro. But you know my macro's on top. Stop looking at me. Hey, Magic, you ready to get a double barrel and start shooting people? Huh? I'm bringing you to a gun. God damn. That shit. You make my macro back. That's how fucking fat you are. But my macro's still good. Almost. But I ate that landing. I ate that. I literally just ate that. I ate it. Yeah. Did your body just hop the gate? Okay, what the hell? I can't move. Now go to gun. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Press this green button right here. Now go over here and press this green button right here 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, how much ammo? Now, go right here. Take all. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I can't be your mom. I can help you this time. I accidentally made leave the server. Now I had to go find her. Reload. Oh my god. I swear to God, my Mac will act up one more time. That's the end of the video. Hi, Magic. What? Kill me, this video's over. Kill me, the video's over. I'm not gonna kill you. Let me see the thing. One more of my gun. You little bitch. Jump. 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 Airsoft. Okay, let's make a picture. Stand right here next to me. Stand right here next to me. There. Alright, you two, that's the end of the video today. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.